the area of a kite is equal to d1 times d2 divided by 2, or 1/2 d1 d2. It doesn't matter, they're the same. So when you look at this, I need to figure out what my two diagonals are. Okay? So this is my first diagonal. This first segment is 60, the second segment is 9. So my d1 would be 69. Okay? On this one, my second diagonal is here. This is 11, this is also 11, so my second diagonal would be 22. Okay? So my calculation would be 69 times 22 divided by 2, which is 759. Okay? Now, if I want to find the perimeter is just the sum of all sides, right? So this is 14.2, this is also 14.2, this is 61, this is also 61. So I have 2 times 14.2, and 2 times 61. 2 times 14.2 is 28.4. 2 times 61 is 122. Add those together, I have 150.4.